Okay, so I'm showing you the how to set up the domain for the Xcart website. You need to go to securexcart.com and then log in with the username and password. I'm doing with the Google. Okay, now you can see my licenses. Here you can view manage license of the software that purchase. Also, if you like Xcart license, you can upgrade this version. You can go to the license, and then when you have some license here, you can select the uh, Xcart 5 version and live or testing. Okay, so you will have the URL here. You will select the domain name. This is the first way I can tell. And the second option is you need to log in on the Xcart backend and then click here for chat. This is the chat bar. You always have this bar and you can ask for the domain setup there. Okay, I hope it will help you for setting up the domain, and let me know if you have any more question. Thank you.